Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the traditional Andalusian town of Illora, about 30 minutes from Granada City and around an hour and 20 minutes to Malaga Airport. We're going to be showing you this enormous building which has so many possibilities. It's 450 square meters built, there's a garage, there's room, as you can see here, to have your own business. You could rent rooms above. It's a perfect place if you wanted somewhere that's centrally located and had sufficient room for you to actually run a business. We're right next door to a cycle shop, so the perfect business would be bikes, biking holidays, that kind of thing, walking. This is a wonderful area for all of those things. Everything that you need you'll find in the town. So as we come in, we have this initial hallway. You have to be a little patient because it is a very, very large building. So I'm going to go left first. This is the inside of the original photographers. As you can see, it's pretty much been left as is. And someone has made this part into a bedroom, but usually you would use this as your showroom or your storeroom because there are two windows behind those curtains as your area for displaying your goods. There is a nice bathroom here, has everything that you need. Also, if you wanted to, you could make this into a little independent studio, either by maintaining this room exactly as it is and putting in a little kitchen sitting room here, or by taking down the wall and making a studio apartment. So we're just passing the front door again, and we have a large room just here. Be a great meeting room, perhaps a separate office or even a lounge for your guests. We would suggest that all of the double glazing should be replaced for something much more modern. And then at the end of the hall, we've got a good sized kitchen with a wood burning stove in the corner. So you'd have a kitchen dining room here, and then there's a pantry at the end. Again, good storage space, always important, super important. There's lots of natural light here because there are a lot of windows. And then just off, I'll try and open the door. Oh. Promise I haven't broken it. Just off the kitchen is this internal patio with a laundry room, and then there's a second area for laundry just here with a big water tank for your hot water, and then a little bathroom just tucked away in the corner. And if we go through this door, we're back out in the hall. So I'm just going to take you downstairs now and show you the basement area. So as we head back towards the kitchen, just on the right here is the staircase that takes us down. So I'm now obviously at the bottom of the staircase, and I'm going to go this way first to show you the room that's just at the rear of the staircase. So that's bedroom 1 down here, and then a second bedroom. As you can see, they're good sizes. Nice large storeroom, and then a big wet room. And through here we have the garage. This is an enormous space, so absolutely ideal if you had a business that required fixing things or creating things. Here's the garage to the street outside, the garage door. But this is a perfect workroom. And at the end, we think this part is pre-installation for some kind of heating, mainly because of the tubes over in the corner there. But equally, it's another really good sized store. So I'm now back on the principal floor. We're going to go upstairs. Obviously with this house, your location is both good and bad. It's good because it's really easy to find. There's parking, it's central, everything is walking distance for people who are staying here. But obviously we're on a main road, on a roundabout, so you absolutely will want to put in high quality double or triple glazing. This bedroom is at the top of the stairs on the right hand side, and then we have another bathroom here with bath, fully tiled. Another bedroom, and all the bedrooms have inbuilt wardrobes. Again, you can see really nice and light, lots of good windows. Just by the side of the stairs that go to the roof terrace, another really good sized bedroom. And at the front here we have this rather cute little terrace that again gives you views up to the church and the castle, and also over to the mountains just beyond. This is a little storeroom, very little. The smallest bedroom is this one at the end here, and it possibly, if you don't need this many rooms, it could make either a nice separate office or maybe even a massage room. And then we have this large bedroom which has its own bathroom. You possibly also would want to put in at least one more bathroom here. Behind this door is just storage. Let me show you that. As you can see. And now I'm going to take you upstairs again to the roof terrace. So here we are on the roof terrace. You can see it's a really sunny spot. And mind the trip hazard. Just down there is the internal patio. Nice views of the castle and the church. I think if this were mine, I would look into taking this wall down by about a metre to avail yourself of the views in that direction. So it's a beautiful spot up here. Now, this is obviously a place for business. It's too big to be a family home, but it's a perfect place to run your own business where you do absolutely everything. You have your guests staying with you. You provide them with e-bikes or walking gear or skiing gear, and you really make the most of the location and the size of the property. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. We really look forward to your comments and also to showing you around this quite amazing place. If you'd like to request a viewing, please do that in the comments section below or give us a call. If you have any questions about absolutely anything or any of our videos, please do ask. If you can like and share, that would help us a great deal. It really does help with the algorithm. And as always, thank you so much for watching.